Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Teachable payments login issues, verification errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login issues with Teachable payments due to verification errors, follow these steps to troubleshoot the problem. Begin by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Open your browser's settings and locate the option for clearing browsing data. Select the time range to clear all data and confirm the action. Once your cache and cookies are cleared, close and reopen your browser. Navigate back to the Teachable login page. Enter your username and password carefully to avoid any typos. If you still encounter a verification error, try using a different browser or device. Sometimes, browser compatibility can cause issues. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, confirm that your authentication method is working correctly. Double-check your authentication app or verify your phone number for text messages. If you are still unable to log in, consider resetting your password. Click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to receive a password reset email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder for this email. Once you receive it, reset your password and attempt to log in again. If the problem persists, visit the Teachable Support Center for further assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for a quicker resolution. Keep an eye on any updates regarding system maintenance or outages that might affect login capabilities. By following these steps, you can resolve most verification errors related to Teachable payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.